Today we're gonna change the wiper blades. This is Mini Cooper Clubman. So first of all, guys, you just take it back like that, and then right behind here, guys, you just you expand it from the rear, and then make sure there's a clip, guys, right here. It's gonna come out when you just push it from the rear, like what I'm doing right here. Just push it back, and then that's where it's gonna like snap off from. Then you pull it out. It should come out like that. That's why, guys, you're gonna like expand it. When it's out, you compare, guys, the new with the old, make sure they're the same, and then the procedure for putting back begins. You just snaps right in, just push right in, just clips. There you go, it's all good.